Open the product's outer carton and remove all accessories. Check against the list to confirm no accessories are missing. Remove protective films, parts from the base station. Place the base station in an open area with good Wi-Fi signal. Ensure sufficient clearance space as shown in the diagram. Do not place any other objects within the shaded areas. Install the base station ramp extension plate. Securely connect the power cord and plug it in. Ensure the base station indicator light is illuminated. Remove the robot. Remove protective films, strips from the robot. Press and hold the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to turn it on. Turn robot upside down. Attach the mop pads to the brackets. Place the robot into the base station. A voice prompt confirming charging indicates a successful connection. Remove the dust tank cover. Pull out the automatic cleaning solution compartment. Open the cover of the automatic filler module. Fill with Dreame's official cleaning solution. Close the cover after completing such filling. Put it back into the base station. And install the dust tank cover. Automatic filling will occur during this process. Open the cover of the base station and remove the clean water tank. Fill an appropriate amount of clean water into the tank. Reinstall the clean water into the base station. Close the cover of the base station. Open the robot's flip cover and scan the QR code on the body with your phone. Alternatively, search for the app in your app store, download, and install it. Open the app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. After successful logging in, tap to scan the QR code for connection. Scan the QR code on the robot again to add the device, or tap Add Manually to select your device from the model list manually. Finish the connection as prompted on the app. The robot's indicator light will start blinking slowly, indicating it has entered network pairing mode. After successful connection, you can customize settings via on-screen prompts based on your floor plan layout. Tap Setting, Firmware Upgrade, and upgrade the firmware to the latest version. Before the first cleaning, ensure the robot departs from the base station for safety and smooth operation. Open all doors to areas that need cleaning throughout your home. Move away items that are easily knocked over, fragile, valuable, or potentially hazardous. Clear as much cleaning space as possible. Follow the instructions in the app to quickly create a map. The robot will start mapping without cleaning. After mapping is complete, you can set up zones based on your home layout. Edit special areas including your furniture, virtual walls, and no-go zones. Click Threshold, Ramp. Add passable, impassable thresholds and ramps on the map, if your home has multiple floors. Click Multi-Floor Map Management at the bottom to add other floors. Please move the robot to the designated floor when it's in standby state. Not in cleaning task, there's no need to move the base station. Create new map. For future cleaning, move the robot directly to the designated floor to start cleaning. The robot will automatically recognize and switch to the current map. And after completing the cleaning task, it will return to the initial starting point of the task. You can select the desired cleaning mode, suction power, mop pad dampness, and other settings in the app. Tap the settings icon at the top right corner to access more customization settings, including customizations of carpet, corner and gap, threshold, cleaning solution, etc. If you have a pet, it is recommended to enable the pet mode to customize pet-related settings. Start cleaning via the app or by briefly pressing the power button on the robot. The robot will perform floor cleaning following the optimal route plan based on the map. During mopping, the robot will automatically return to wash the mop pad according to the mop pad washing settings in the app. After returning to the base station, the robot will be automatically refilled via the base station. Once refilled, the robot will resume cleaning. After the robot finishes its cleaning task and returns to recharge, the base station will automatically collect dust, wash, and dry the mop pad. During the mopping, do not move the base station, water tank, or washboard filter arbitrarily. Follow the above-mentioned steps to enjoy the convenient cleaning experience from the Dreame Robot Cleaner.